Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. I've put together here one envelope. I've kept one envelope back and I've stuffed it full of some of the stuff that's come for me in the post in the past few days. So we have two envelopes here from the Falkland Islands. They contain two sets of penguin 50p's and a £1 12-sided coin that they've just started to use. These are going to be opened up and shown in a separate video, and there's two different sets, set 1 and set 2 from the year 2021 of the penguins. So I'm going to do that as videos separately, but they came this week in the post. Another one that came in the post this week is the new 2022, the first one for this year of the British Wildlife series from Guernsey Coins. So the 10p's, there's 6 of them. Again, this one will be shown in a separate video. I have also a bunch of 50p's that I opened, that I got on eBay. They're all the same coin. The reason behind this is I have been getting a lot of signed 50p's from YouTubers. So I think I spent £6 on 10 Benjamin Bunnies, and I will be using those to use them for the signed coins to repay the favour back to those people who got me, giving me coins. And talking of which, that brings me very nicely to the next thing that I want to show on this video. I have here, this one was sent as packaging, believe it or not, from a German purchase that I made. It's Recklinghausen. I think it may well be like a country house. Second one came from a lady called Sarah Vista, who does a saloon and she sings songs, and this one was again part of packaging for a coin that I received. Now the third one is the most important one of the three, and I'm going to come in a little bit on this one. And it says, "Ahoy Steve at Bucks Coins. Thank you so much for the 2 trading cards and your cool personal channel badge." Now that's the five cornered one. I don't know if you've seen that before. "Keep up the good work on your channel, and then please accept a signed skull and crossbones Benjamin Bunny as a token of my appreciation to coinaphrase." And that's the bunny he sent me. It now goes along with the one from Dave at Northeast Coins. Dave at Northeast Coins, and also Callie from Caledonian Coins. Oops, let's get all those in. Those are 3 of the signed bunnies that I've got, and I'm very grateful to have received them. So what I will do is link to Coinaphrase's his YouTube channel down in the description area of this video. Go and pay him a visit. He's a good enough guy. Is a Geordie, but you know, like Dave from North East Coins, they're both up in that region. Both are great blokes, and he could do with, if you can show him some support, tell him I sent you. And that's coinaphrase. The other things I have in here, which are going to go onto videos of their own, is this one here. Whoops, let me just take this back out. And this is one of the next in the Pobjoy Mint series of the ships on the carded coins. It's the centenary of Sir Ernest Shackleton. It's a Pobjoy mint. It's from the British Antarctic Territories, or BAT as it's sometimes referred to. And I will be doing a separate review on this coin. The last two, or in fact it should be more than two. Ah, there it is. I have a Canadian Totem dollar, a couple of coins from Gibraltar, one from Turkey, and one from Italy. And these will be making up another video that I'm going to be showing shortly, or going to be recording during this stint of recording videos that I'm doing at the moment. And the last one that I got in the post, which was the one that this particular envelope came from, is this one. And this is the FA Cup Strike Your Own. Now, there aren't many of these reviews of this coin out, as the general coin tubers like Christopher and Laughter, Katie Jones, Angel from Coin Collector's Journey, and who's the other one that's going to be there normally? Pocket Poet. They have yet to do their mint trip to strike this coin. I believe they're going towards the end of May this year. I'm not sure of the exact dates, but if you tune into Christopher, I'm sure he'll let you know in good time, so you can go and meet him if you want to. So I'll be doing that as a separate video as well. So that closes this thing of In the Post. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's not overly long, but it's important that you see some of the things that I have got and that I've been buying. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you get them from, I hope you can buy the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you can find something that you enjoy over the next week and going forward. I am looking to increase my subscriptions on the channel, so if you are a returner, or if this is your first time and you've enjoyed it and you believe I've deserved your subscription, please give it me. I'll be very grateful and love to have you along during the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, some militaria and some collectible stuff. Please also, if you think this video is worth it, and could you please give me a thumbs up, as both subscription and likes will help with the algorithm that YouTube uses to get me put in front of new people. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all again very soon on this channel, and until we do, ta-ra from me. Bye bye now. Bye bye.